It's time to fat test track. I'm here with my friend Carrie, and we are going to go see, does this one work at Epcot? By the way, if you're wondering where you are at Fat Tested Travel. My name is Jason Vaughn. I am 5'8", 360 pounds, showing you what you can fit on at theme parks around the country, so make sure to follow. On Test Track, you design your own car, and then on Test Track, you design your own car and then put it through a series of tests to see how it does. Here it is. It's a large step down, by the way. So recommendation is pull the seatbelt out as you're sitting down and place it down behind you so you have more room to do that. The step into the car is tough, but the seatbelt and the seats have a lot of room, so you should be absolutely fine. So Test Track passes the fat test.